which is we like it quite a bit. You see? Chin down. Thank you. Right, cracking incisor. Less than 1/3, right? The veneers with the LiSi. So first we do is we have to evaluate what kind of the enamel color. Has a little bit opacity, slightly translucency, so I go to enamel ingot, okay, which is 58, and then we made another very tiny bit restoration fit together like that, so they can get the piece of work. So we will going to give him this is stick, so be careful to not lose it. And then they put together just like that, then they can communicate it after they put the cement with clear cement recommended translucency, so we can get this kind of communication from the laboratory. Okay, see the translucency? Good. Okay.
You're on.
Which is high value, so we decreased the value with the translucency. So when you still, so now I'm using the more maximum dark color in the mirror, so which is too much. Spread out, chin down. Thank you. Like that, getting better, right?
Mm-hmm.
Now this problem is here, dehydrated. Chin down. Chin down more chin down. Best you can. Okay, hold on. Good. Now you see better. Okay. All right. Yeah. So, nice final stage. Okay, put it back. See, getting better.
Mm-hmm.
Now the other things I have to use the other halo. Yeah, you concentrate this, so I concentrate here. See halo? Can you put the right? Other side, yes. Okay, so I can see the halo, and I move it. So we'll come up with them. Okay, good. All right, this is finer, right? So this one is the LiSi, which is we like it quite a bit. You see, chin down. Thank you. It's very tiny one. You see, this is what I like, and the crack line the same, and the translucency Jason T's was great. You see, right? Right, perfect. All right, that was good. Now the other one is the feldspathics. We're trying to put the slightly high value. Okay, see, high value, chin down. Right, well, it's not bad too, right?
It's not bad. It just needs
It's not bad at all.
slight polish.
Yeah.
They are both
So what you're going to do? This one is a translucency.
Mm-hmm.
You can use it clear. The bonding material, so you can do that. It's not bad, but chin down. Okay, little bit that frosty.
Yep.
Then you can decrease that good. Okay, good. Right, this is material selection from LiSi HT blue, which is enamel. Okay, so we choose the material for incisor 1/3, which is a monolithic. The reason why I did not make this layer is a very small, tiny space between the here. So we made almost as mono. However, we using the spectrum stain from the GC America and then finish the cases. Now Dr. Atasi will going to put the bonding procedure, so then we can upload it too. All right, thank you.
Subscribe to Luke Kahn's Patreon for ongoing valuable information for dentists from a lab side perspective. For just $25 a month, you will receive live training online with Luke Kahng, as well as live chats, Q&A sessions, and ongoing dialogue exclusively via his Patreon. Subscribe today